just stabbed me, man. You turned me in my back and you just stabbed me, man. Out of luck, stuck in a rut, I just gave up. Walked away from life like I had no ties to lace up. You played me like close brother, but you stabbed me. Moved in this light because you thought the darkness had me. Envied my family, coveted a woman who ain't yours. With intents of moving in as you walk through my house's doors. Paid visits, made phone calls when my car was gone. Sinking your clutches deeper just to make me more far gone. Whispered things in her ear to make her hate me. All the while you smiled to my face as you blatantly betrayed me. I thought the love of Christ was your one drive. Fooled by your walk as you hit me with more lies. Instead of bringing us back, you pushed us even farther. And what I thought was easy, you made it even harder. But now I'm back with ribbon seeds and it's hard for me to face you. But I serve a God who won't let me hate you, so I pray for you.
Judgment Day. On the Judgment Day. What are you gonna do on the Judgment Day? On the Judgment Day. On the Judgment Day. What are you gonna do on the Judgment Day? What are you gonna do on the hours of your life? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Yo, A2 Brutus, I'm eating you, Judas. Always convinced in my mind you be the man, low cuss, no trust. For the excommunicated 12th disciple, I caught a nightful, a segment of your life full of all your actions, that stuff I can't imagine, prostitution of your heart.
Да, ама как да го увелича?
Ти бокса ще опусан. А всяка ще опусан. Да може да стигне до днес. Ще им дам най. И давам перси.
Добре, тя си гори, няма да започне. Оставя да си изгори.
И пак чак ми зарекнам ти. Fuck you, Van Persie! Fuck you! Я бях хубаво.
Не горяло ли, а? Не горяло.
Личи се, че Иван Перско.
Много добре се личи.
Да взема нещо къде да го угася.
Вече не е 11 номер. А не броя стигна до името. То ще се угасна само тъй като...
Иван Перси първи. Майка ти да ебам.
Ще бъде номер 1 в Юнайтед.
Ага, на скамейката. Същата работа като да работя в Астикан. Нищо няма да прави с това.
Аз често казвам, не го искам много в Юнайтед, ама... Ти беше.
Har du gjort detta först?
Mer!
Mer? Snyggt!
Skank!
Kommer det vara folk som håller på det? Snyggt Pontus. Släcker eller man trycker upp på.
Så fan får brinna bra alltså.
Det gör det.
Skål. Säger du Fille?
Snyggt. Mycket snyggt. Nej, det är så kan man kolla på det nu.
Trampa ut det där nere nu.
Får du nästan hela namnet upp? Loll om inte det försvinner. Oj! Oj! Fick lite där. Taskig. Fan vad varmt det blir.
Ja, en sån här lilla killen där står och kollar nu.
Vad sa du Pontus? Vad är det var?
Nej, bra killar där man fälls.